We are pleased to show you the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Come take a test drive today.